Hello, everybody. Hola, Najam, and bonjour. Welcome, my lovies. And guess what? It is read aloud time. I'm going to read another book. If you didn't see the first one, this is the second one. Roar of a snore. Listen to those two words. Roar of a snore. Those words rhyme. They sound alike. And this book is brand new. I've read this book before, but I wanted to read it to you guys. Just in case you don't know where Miss Bobette is from, I live in Michigan. And it is freezing here today. It is February the 2nd, and it is quite cold. That's why I have on my gloves, my mittens. So again, Roar of a Snore is the title of this book, and it was written by Marsha Arnold, and the pictures were drawn by Pierre Pratt. There's the front, there's the back, and here's the spine. This is actually a Dolly Parton Imagination Library book. And she used to send these books to everybody. Well, you had to sign up for them, but anybody under 5 years old will get a free book every month? Yeah, once a month. So this is one of those, and this was for my ladybug. All right, let's start it. Here goes the title page. Brand new book. It's very nice. And this works as a bookmark. So you could put it in the book to save your spot. See that? I love her books. Anywho, oh, this is the front. This is the back. This is the spine. I already did that. And this holds all the pages together. That's what the spine does. And since this is a brand new book, it's going to be kind of stiff. All right. The sky was dark. The stars were bright. See the stars? Stars all over. Each Huffle fast asleep that night. Except for Jack, eyes wide open. He tossed and turned. He groaned. He sighed. Jack heard a noise that rocked the floor. He heard a noise that shook the door. Jack heard... What do you think he heard? A snore. Look at the snore. It's going all the way through his room, all the way up to the ceiling and around. A mighty snore, a glamorous snore, a thundering, ear-splitting roar of a snore. Those words rhyme. Roar, snore. Can you snore? Let me hear you snore. Old hound dog Blue was sound asleep. He woofed and snuffled at Jack's feet. Wake up, old Blue, and stop that snore. Old Blue woke up. So it was the doggy that was snoring. You heard those rhyming words? We got, old hound dog Blue was sound asleep. He woofed and snuffled at Jack's feet. Wake up, old Blue, and stop that snore. Old Blue woke up. I don't see the rhyme words, but yeah, it's funny. The snore still roared, so Blue and Jack went searching. Across the hall slept Mama Gwen. Look at Mama Gwen. Her huffs and puffs made curlers spin. Wake up, Mama Gwen, and stop that snore. So there's some rhyming words. Spin and Gwen. Huffs and puffs. Those words sound like those are rhyming words. Mama Gwen woke up. See the snore all up in the ceiling. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen went searching. Sweet baby Sue slept one door down. Her high-pitched snore made whistling sounds. Wake up, baby Sue, and stop that snore. Baby Sue woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Mama Sue went searching. way down the stairs in his favorite chair, snored Papa Ben like a grumbling bear. Wake up, Papa Bear, or Papa Ben, and stop that snore. Papa Ben woke up, and the snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben went searching. In the old porch swing slept the Huffle twins. Josie Joe wheezed out. Jenny Lynn wheezed in. Wake up, you two, and stop that snore. They're snoring too. Everybody in the house was snoring. The twins woke up. The snore still roared. See it? Roar. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn went searching. You hear all those rhyming words? Sue, Gwen and Ben, and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn. Now they're outside looking for the snore. There's an owl in the tree. Ooh, ooh. He even has a lantern because it's dark outside. They found their barn filled up with snores, the sheep, the goat, the cow, and more. Wake up, you critters, and stop those snores. The critters woke up. What animals do you see? I think that's a cow, a goat, chickens, and a sheep. See his head right there? The snore still roared. See the snore? So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens went searching. But she still got her rollers in her hair. Up to the loft the Huffles climbed to search together one more time. They searched the hay with drowsy eyes, and there they found, what do you think they found up in the loft of that barn? There's a cow, a billy goat, I think that's the sheep, and there's the chickens. They're looking. They hear that snore. A snore surprise. One lost kitten in the hay, snoring all his cares away. See the kitty cat? He's snoring. I'll be hornswoggled, Jack Huffle cried. His snore's 1,000 times his size. Wake up, little cat, and stop that snore. The Huffles waited. The snore still roared. My goodness. Now let him sleep, hushed Mama Gwen. He needs his rest. He looks done in. He's traveled far across our field, said Papa Ben. He needs a meal. He needs a home, said Baby Sue. Woof, woof, agreed old hound dog Blue. All Huffle eyes were fixed on Jack. Jack sighed. Then, wait a minute, Jack sighed, then grinned and looked right back. He's found a home. It's in our haystack. There he is. So Jack and Blue and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens joined Little Cat and snuggled in. So now they're all sleeping in the barn up in the loft. Each Huffle added snuffles, huffs, wheezes, whistles, whistles, gumbles, grumbles, and puffs. One giant snore sailed through the night. At last, the Huffles all slept tight. But down the road, eyes open wide, Molly Olsen tossed inside. Uh-oh, she heard a snore. You see her? Now, the next book will probably be her and her family going out to look for the Snore. The end. That book is so funny to me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Roar of a Snore. All right. See you later, alligators.